Hola, hola mis amores. Hoy les traigo las sight words en las sentences, ¿ok? We are going to use the sight words in a sentence. Las que ya habíamos visto en el otro video. Pero hoy las vamos a ver con imágenes y en una sentence. Así que vamos a empezar. Primero tenemos make. Make. See the word? Make. We make cupcakes. ¿Se acuerdan que era we? Nosotras o nosotros. We make cupcakes. Look at the girls. They are making cupcakes. Next we have play. Play. You like to play, right? Look at the boy here, and he says, I play with the blocks. I play with the blocks. Look at the boy. He's playing with the blocks. Do you remember who is I? Yo. I. Entonces vamos a suponer que este chico que está aquí, este boy que está aquí, dice, I play with the blocks. Play. Said. Look, we have a mom, we have a boy. Y aquí está su homework. Él quiere jugar primero. He wants to play first and then homework. So mom says no. My mom said no. She said primero, homework, and then play. Entonces este boy aquí está diciendo, my mom said no. Okay? Let's see the next one. Good. Remember, these two O's together sounds oo. G, u, d. Good. Cada vez que hacían un trabajo muy lindo, Miss Ale les decía, good work. You did a good job. Work y job son las mismas palabras. ¿Ok? You did a good job. Excellent. She. This is a girl. Vamos a usar she only for girls. ¿Le podemos decir she a un boy? No. Only to a girl. She goes to school. She goes to school. ¿Sí? Ella tiene su backpack, su uniform y está lista para ir a la school. She. All. I eat all my vegetables. See the boy? Look all the vegetables. He has broccoli, he has carrots, y él se come all the vegetables para crecer grandototote y fuertototote. ¿Sí? I eat all my vegetables. ¿Quién es I? Este boy aquí dice, I eat all my vegetables. Now you can practice these sight words with a picture and with a sentence. See you next time.